Hi, my name is Renee Anderson and I'm a teaching artist with KidSmart here in New Orleans. Most recently, I've taught visual art to kindergartners, first and second graders. Today, I'm going to lead us in a project called salt painting. Start by mixing a decent amount of food coloring with a little bit of water. You can also use liquid watercolors if you have them. Make sure to mix well. Here I used 4 basic food colors that I found in the grocery store aisle. Next, you'll need Elmer's glue. If you do not have Elmer's glue at home, try mixing flour with a little bit of water and make a wheat paste. It's best to have something that comes out of a tip in order to make your design. Here I'm using black construction paper so you can see easily the simple design that I'm making with glue. Next, add salt. Fine table salt works best. Apply a good amount of it all across your glue painting. Shake it a little bit to make sure every part is covered. Next, you'll need an old paintbrush, or if you don't have a paintbrush, even something like a chopstick will do. Dip the paintbrush into one of your colors and gently drop it on parts of the salt painting. You'll notice that it spreads pretty easily. Especially if you're painting with food coloring, you'll want to use a good amount on the salt. If you use too little, the color will not be as bright. So don't be afraid to reapply if you need to. Notice how as I keep going, the colors start to blend together at the edges, creating an interesting effect. And there you are, that's salt painting. And if you don't have any construction paper around, cardboard is also great for this project. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you have fun with this project.